We just received this pair of H11 low beam headlights that PERPOTAO sent us, and today we're going to get them installed into our car and see how bright they really are. At a quick glance, the instructions included with the user manual looks pretty easy to follow. The steps are numbered and they even include a few diagrams with each step. And on the back, they even provide some troubleshooting tips in case things go sideways. Before we get started though, let's take a quick look at the headlights. These H11s are L-shaped with a right angle base that should snap right into the low beam housing. The H11 connector is a two-prong electrical connector that kind of looks similar to a wall plug. So we've turned off the engine for our car and opened up the hood, and this is the current one we have installed, so we're going to have to remove this first. Once the current one is removed, we can go ahead and insert the new H11 headlights. Taking one of our new H11 LED headlights, we'll plug the first one into the car's wiring. And now the other end with the bulb can be inserted straight into the housing. You want to rotate it clockwise until you feel a click, and then it should sit firmly in place. If you have installed it correctly, this is what it should look like. And now for the second headlight, we've already removed the old H11s, and now we'll repeat the same steps to plug the headlights into the car's wiring, and then we'll insert the end with the LED lights into the headlight housing. The entire process was so quick and easy to do in our own garage at home. It literally only took a few minutes to complete. And here's a close-up of it installed. So here's our car, and now we'll show you how bright the H11 headlights are. These are perfect for driving during sundown and late in the evenings after dark, especially when driving on a road that is not well lit. These H11s are a bright, cool white light, and there's also no flicker. These headlights should fit most cars, but just double check your car's make and model. These H11s are literally plug and play.